Okay, children, the next chapter we are going to discuss is the cell. Now, the exercises are from page number 35. So, the first question, that is question number A, take the most appropriate answer. Number 1, the term cell was coined by. So, who coined the term cell? The answer is Robert Hooke. Then question number 2, the cell wall is made up of. What are the cell wall made up of? And the options are proteins, fats, cellulose, vitamins. And the answer is cellulose. Then number 3, which of the following holds hereditary characters in an organisms? And the options, nucleus, chloroplast, mitochondrion and ribosome. And the answer is nucleus. Then number 4, which of the following helps in cell division of the cell? And the options are centrosome, ribosome, plasma membrane and lysosome. And the answer is centrosome. It helps in cell division. Then number 5, in a cell, proteins are formed with the help of nucleus, Golgi bodies, mitochondria, ribosomes. And the answer is ribosomes. So, these nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes, Golgi bodies, central, these are all organelles. Okay. Then number 6, the folding of the inner membrane of a mitochondrion are called. The options are matrix, cisternae, cristae and vesicles. And the answer is cristae. Then number 7, which of the following is also called the powerhouse of the cell? The options, chloroplast, mitochondrion, centrosome, cell wall. The answer is mitochondrion. Then number 8, which of the following organelles is called the suicide bag of the cell? The options are nucleus, tonoplast, ribosome and lysosome. And the answer is lysosomes. Then number 9, the green pigment is present in. The options are chromoplast, amyloplast, chloroplast and leucoplast. So, the green pigment is present in chloroplast. The answer is chloroplast, which is one of the plastids. Then number 10, the membrane surrounding the vacuole is called plasma membrane, nuclear membrane, tonoplast and cell wall. And the answer is tonoplast. Then comes match the following. Number 1, leucoplast. What is leucoplast? These are actually, in this match the column, you can see the functions of all these organelles. This leucoplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, chloroplast and vacuole, these are organelles. So, their functions are in column B. So, you have to choose the right functions of each organelles. So, number 1 is leucoplast. And the function of leucoplast is storage of starch and proteins. The number 2, endoplasmic reticulum. Its function is transport of materials. The number 3, Golgi bodies. The function of Golgi bodies helps in the synthesis of cell wall in a plant cell. Then number 4, chloroplast. Chloroplast helps in making food. Then number 5, vacuole. What is the function of vacuole? It makes the cell turgid. Then comes write true or false. Number 1, the size of a cell is usually measured in centimeters. It is false. Actually, the size of the cell is measured in micrometers. Then number 2, the nuclear membrane encloses a colorless dense fluid called nucleoplasm. It is true. Number 3, Golgi bodies form a network of tubes which run throughout the cytoplasm. This one is false. It is not Golgi bodies. It is endoplasmic reticulum. Then number 4, chromoplasts are the kitchen of the cell. It is also false. Actually, it's not chromoplast. Actually, it is the chloroplast. Then number 5, vacuoles are filled with a fluid called nucleoplasm. It is also false. Actually, the vacuoles are filled with the fluid, and that fluid is called cell sap. Alright. Then the next chapter I am going to discuss is circulatory system in humans. Alright. So the exercises are from page number 71. The first one, take the most appropriate answer. Number 1, which of the following blood cells are without nuclei? Now if you see the types of blood cells, they are RBC, WBC, blood platelets and A and C. So here you have to find out which of the following blood cells they do not have nuclei. They do not have nucleus, and the answer is A and C, means option number D. Okay. Then number 2, blood cells that protect the body from diseases are the erythrocytes. Erythrocytes means red blood cells, leukocytes means white blood cells, thrombocytes means blood platelets. Then osteocytes. Out of these 4 options, which blood cells protect the body from diseases? It is leukocytes. Then number 3, which of the following blood cells are responsible for the clotting of blood? And the answer is thrombocytes. Then number 4, the color of the red blood cells is due to the presence of, answer is hemoglobin. Then number 5, the finest of all the blood vessels are the veins, arteries, venae cavae and capillaries. So there are 3 blood vessels, arteries, veins and capillaries. So out of these 3 blood vessels, which one is the finest blood vessels? The answer is capillaries. Then number 6, blood group A has, options are antigen A and antibody B, antigen B and antibody B, antigen A and antibody A, then antigen O and antibody AB, and the answer is option number A, antigen A and antibody B. Then number 7, the device used to hear heartbeat is called, and if you see the options, then sphygmomanometer, manometer, thermometer, stethoscope. Now, which is the answer? The answer is stethoscope. Doctor uses a device called stethoscope to listen to the heartbeat. Okay, then fill in the blanks. Dash are the blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart. The answer is arteries. Then dash are thin-walled upper chamber of the heart. What do you call the upper chamber of the heart? They are auricles. Then number 3, oxygenated blood is found in the dash side of the heart. It is left. Then number 4, the heart beats at an average of 72 times per minute. Then number 5, the stretching and relaxing of arteries with each heartbeat is felt as throbbing. And what do you call that? It is called pulse. Then true or false? Hemoglobin combines with oxygen to form carboxyhemoglobin. It is false, because when hemoglobin combines with oxygen, they will form oxyhemoglobin. Then number 2, leukocytes are larger than erythrocytes and contain hemoglobin. This is also false. Then number 3, veins connect arteries with capillaries. It is also false. It is actually capillaries connect veins with arteries. Then number 4, the heart is enclosed by a single membrane called pericardium. This is also false. Actually, the heart is enclosed by a double membrane called pericardium. Then number 5, deoxygenated blood is received by the right auricle. Deoxygenated blood means impure blood, blood rich in carbon dioxide. So it is received by right auricle. That is true. So these are the exercises, children, which you have to do in your textbook. So please follow this revision thoroughly and do the exercises in your textbook. So thank you, children.